Hi, Mark from HP, here today to show you how to properly clean your HP notebook at school. The recommended disinfectant is an alcohol-based solution consisting of 70% isopropyl alcohol and 30% water. First, turn off the device and disconnect the power. You also need to disconnect all external devices such as hard drives and USB keys. Let's put on some disposable gloves just in case you have any sensitive skin. Dampen a microfiber cloth with the alcohol-based solution and carefully clean all the external surfaces. Be careful not to let any disinfectant drip onto the keyboard, screen or USB ports, and don't spray any liquid directly onto your device. Start with your screen, then work your way across the device, ending with the cables. And now you've got a nice, clean HP notebook for the classroom.